I'm waking up to see the sun. It's the light that lets me know a new day's begun. Guess what I got in the mail today? Woo! Julia Nunes, my CD of the month. Now, this is my first video response, and actually it's to one of Julia's videos, and I really hope that you actually see this. My name is Sarah Jane. I live in Texas, and I found out about you through John and Hank Green, the Green brothers, the Vlog brothers. And when Hank was itchy and he posted a vlog about all of his favorite music on YouTube, I found your site on there, and I love your music, and I'm looking forward to listening to your CD. I seriously just got home, just got it out of the mailbox, and I'm looking forward to listening to it so much. So thank you, and kudos, and way to go, and you're gonna be awesome. I feel it. And don't worry, all of my friends are gonna have to get your CD too, because they're gonna be really pumped about it, and I won't share music, they'll just have to buy it. Yeah. Thank you.